In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Snapchat filter to existing photo. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Snapchat application. Now from here, just tap on the gallery icon on the lower left corner of the screen, which is this. Now select camera roll. Now select the existing photo, and from here to add a filter to this, you will see this option to add a lens in the bottom. It says decorate this snap, so tap on add a lens. And as you can see from here, we can now choose a bunch of different filters for this existing photo. So that is how you can add a Snapchat filter to this existing photo. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.